Today's the day. We're decorating the house for Christmas. I am so pumped. I'm so ready to get this place looking festive. It's our first year living in this house, so I kind of wanted to, you know, do the most. I'm so excited. I've been keeping, we have this like extra bedroom that isn't really anything right now, so it's just been the dumping grounds for all the decor. We've got lots of goodies. Some of it's old, some of it's new. I did buy a lot this year just because from the apartment we had a few things, but now that there's like a whole house to decorate, I wanted to get a few more things. So lots of stuff from Target, did some online shopping. Home Depot honestly also has really good stuff. So yeah, I'm very excited. I feel like I've been looking forward to this literally all year. Guys, I'm obsessed with how the dining room turned out. I'm gonna link all of this down below because it is so freaking cute. I'm obsessed with the placemats. I think it's adorable. Pretty much everything is either from Target, Anthropologie, or Pottery Barn. But yeah, I think it's so cute. I've been thinking about how I wanted this to look for Christmas, and I just think it turned out so perfect. We got this little pencil tree from Walmart, which is so nice. I never thought I would be someone who has more than one Christmas tree in the house, and we're gonna have 3 this year. 2 fake ones, 1 in the room, this one, and then we're gonna get a real one. You guys, I'm obsessed. This honestly might be one of my favorite parts. I don't know why, I just think it's so cute, so simple. I got these really cool like stocking hangers. I'll link them down below. They're from All Modern, but they're super cute. Love the little mini Christmas tree. But yeah, I love this. And our little entryway, it's so cute. Now, I don't know if you guys have seen on TikTok, but there's this life hack to hanging garland, and we have this big space where I think it could look really cool. So I bought a 15-foot piece of garland, and then you basically wrap it around a tension rod. So that honestly would look super cool. Hopefully it works out. I think we're gonna do that next. Christmas shopping with my mom. I literally look forward to this all year because you're like the only person that hypes me up when I want to buy stuff.
Yes.
So money will be spent today on gifts. That's the goal.
I love giving gifts.
And it's early. It's only November 21st. So we're ahead of season this year. I hate last minute shopping.
Yeah, me too.
Yeah. Anyway.
Let's shop.
Oh my gosh. You know what I'm realizing? I'm like shopping for future hand-me-downs. Dangerous things happen in Anthropologie. Remember when we were in London? It's so cute, right? I don't know if I want one like this. Because it's just so cute. Successful mall trip. I got a few things that I can show you because the rest are gifts that I obviously don't want people to see. But I did pick up some goodies from Big Island Candies. They have some of the best like chocolates and cookies. So I like to send to like my manager, my business manager, like accountant, and then my lawyer. So the packaging is honestly just really cute. So I'll send that out. It's just like little shortbread cookies. How good does that look? Wow. Honestly, so many people help me behind the scenes of all of the social media stuff. So I like to send out a little package to everyone that helps. And then, as you saw, made a stop at Anthropologie, which is so dangerous because Anthropologie during Christmas time is like my playground. It's an expensive playground, but I've been wanting some candles from them because they're just so cute. I got one of the iconic cake stand ones, which is just so cute because it's also like a cute little thing to put out. I honestly don't know what this one is supposed to smell like, but it's a very wintry smell. Very good. And then this one I kind of splurged on, but this is the Apothecary Sandalwood Vanilla. It's a very mature smell, but it smells so good. It smells like a cozy home, and I definitely get a whiff of that want my house to smell like this. Plus the packaging is honestly just really cute. So that's what I got for myself. Very successful Christmas shopping day, in the spirit, listen to Christmas music in the car. The vibes are good. We are going surfing today. I'm so excited because we've been going every single chance that we possibly can if like the conditions are good. Today we're surfing during sunset, not at sunset, not at Sunset Beach because I think it's like 10 feet over there. I will stick to my like 1 to 3 feet. But we're doing a little evening sesh with some friends, which will be really, really fun. I'm wearing this super cute one piece from Dippin' Daisies. I wore it recently and it was really nice to surf in. So I'm gonna wear it again. The water is definitely getting a little bit colder. The air outside is getting a little bit colder. So I've been needing to wear some more long sleeve pieces so I don't freeze in the water. But every time that I complain about it being cold in the water, I check myself because I'm like, God bless the people who surf, for example, in California, because they have to wear wetsuits pretty much all year round. And I've only gone in the Pacific Ocean, on that side of the Pacific Ocean, once in my life. And I probably never will again because it was so cold. So yeah, anyway, going on a little surf date. New home setup. We've got Christmas themed. Ooh, a lot of my socks are so dirty. Did you see that? Ew. Ew. We rearranged the living room tonight because we're putting up the Christmas tree. So initially we were gonna get a real tree because love a real tree. But the height that we were looking for, 9 to 10 feet, because we do have kind of tall ceilings, was like $250. So we ended up getting actually something I'm very excited about, and that is the iconic Home Depot tree. If you know, you know. We got the 9-foot one and it's pre-lit, so it should look really pretty. We're gonna put it right here. That's why we ended up switching the living room, because if you remember, this was flipped, and so we needed lots of room to have the tree there. It's kind of a jump scare looking at it like this, but I honestly think this setup is gonna be really cute, especially with the Christmas tree up. So first Christmas in the house, first Christmas tree. I think we're gonna pop on Home Alone, start some new traditions. The bokeh effect, I'm gonna cry. Life is worth living. Living room reveal, victory bowl of cereal. We slayed.
Sledeless boots house down.
That means that it took us the length of the Home Alone movie. You guys, I've been waiting for this one. I've been looking forward to this because today we are making apple pie. Micah and I actually made apple pie homemade from scratch, including the dough as well, last year for Thanksgiving. So we're making it again this year. It was a very big hit. I'm going to link the recipe down below because it is so easy to follow and it was just so good. So we're making that today because Thanksgiving is tomorrow, which is actually insane. But yeah, you guys know I've been kind of in my baking mode recently, so this one's gonna be really fun. I actually already made the dough yesterday, and I feel like honestly it wasn't that hard. It was a few ingredients, and I followed a recipe for this as well, but I feel like it makes such a big difference with the way the pie tastes, because you can buy pie crust, but this just tastes so good. It hits different. So I'm gonna make some apple pie, get into the holiday baking mode. probably wait. I wanted to do a mini unboxing with you since you're watching this, I think, on December 1st. I've always been really into like advent calendars, specifically ones that are like beauty related. I just think it's really fun to open up something little, like the 12 days leading up to Christmas or something. But I got this during the Sephora sale and it was already a good deal. Plus it was 20% off because of the sale. It's the Voluptua 12-day advent calendar, so I wanted to open up day 1. Look how tiny it is.
You're supposed to wait for 12 days till Christmas.
Yeah, but this one is Sparkling Cuvée. Now I know why it was such a good deal, because they are literally... You don't like that? Well, luckily it's not yours. Anyway, super cute. I'm excited to do this for the 12 days. Wait, is it the first 12 days of December? Is it the 12 days leading up to Christmas? So I would start on the 13th. I don't know. Apple pies just finished. I just took them out of the oven, but they look so good. The top is like nice and crisp. Basically, I think what does that is the egg wash that you put on top. So it just called for 1 egg and then you mix it with a little bit of water and then you kind of spread it on top. And it looks so good. I'm so excited to eat it tomorrow. I think I'm also gonna grab some vanilla ice cream because that would just pair perfectly together, but I'm very proud of how these turned out. Fingers crossed, I think everyone will love them. Ava? Can I do 1 sausage, egg, and cheese biscuit? And then 2 orders of hash browns, please. Good morning. We're home from morning surf. I'm currently editing the video that you're watching, but today was super fun. I went with my sister, which is really nice. I think, yeah, that's actually the first time she and I have just gone, which is really cool because she's always just gone with my dad. And then since I got into it recently, we planned to go together today and it was really fun. Definitely a lot bigger than the last time I surfed. It was, I think the forecast said 1 to 2 today, but there was a lot of 2s, but it was very fun. I didn't catch that many waves, but I always like going out of my comfort zone in terms of the size of waves that I surf. I think the biggest that I've been in was when I went to North Shore on my birthday and it was 3 to 4 plus, which was so humbling and I was so scared, but it was really good for my confidence in the water and like being comfortable in the water. Yeah, so yeah, for that reason, today was a good day. Had some fun out there. I still need to shower, get ready, and then we'll see what the rest of the day has in store. Putting some gifts under the tree. I have been Christmas shopping since mid-November and let me tell you, December hasn't even begun yet and I'm like 90% done with Christmas shopping, which feels so good. But I wanted to show you the wrapping paper that I got because I got it off of Etsy and it's so cute. So I got this red ribbon one, which of course I love because I just love the bow theme. And then this one I feel like has more of a cottagey vintage-ish style, but I thought the green was nice. And then, since this one's like mainly red and then mainly green, this one kind of ties everything together and it's like a little Christmas-scape wrapping paper. So I got these, probably really unnecessary to get it from Etsy because you could just get it, you know, from any store, but I was really excited about these. So I'm gonna wrap a few gifts. Also, loving my outfit. I'm wearing my sweatpant jeans, which if you haven't heard me talk about them, I feel like I need to show you this because this was so revolutionary for me. But they are jeans, well, they're sweatpants that look like jeans, and it has completely changed my life. Sometimes when I come out wearing these, Micah thinks that I'm wearing jeans in the house and like napping in them, but they are sweatpants and they're so comfortable. So I will link these down below. They were heinously expensive. So I'm also gonna link down below a really good dupe that is like less than half the price of these, but I just got these because I wanted to see what the hype was all about. Wanted to let you know if I think these are worth it, but I honestly feel like the dupe, you can't really go wrong, but these do definitely feel like amazing quality, but it's a little crazy. Anyway, got all my gifts in here. Let's get to wrapping. Vibes are going. I have food on the way. It is only 5:30 and it is so dark out, which like I know is not new news. And I was talking about this with Micah the other day. I was saying how I don't understand why it's so jarring to me every year that it gets darker earlier in the winter, because it's happened. I've experienced it 24 times, but it's still so shocking every single time it happens. I feel so like, what is going on? But that just means we get cozy a little bit earlier. I'm gonna make nothing, actually. I'm just gonna open this can of cranberry poppy and call it a day. I got this cute Christmas glass. I think it's from Anthropology. I'll link it down below, but it's so cute. I got a set of 2. You could obviously use it for cocktails, but I don't know. Sometimes it's fun to drink out of a fancy cup and it just feels a little more fun. Cheers. I think this is so delicious. Cranberry fizz, it's got a good flavor. I really, really like it. I think I'm just gonna have myself a cozy little night. Honestly, probably clock in super early just because there's honestly not that much going on. So I'm gonna watch my Christmas movie, have a cozy night in, eat my takeout, you know, romanticize my night routine here a little bit. So this is your sign. Do something for yourself today. Maybe it's taking an everything shower or taking time to journal or read a book, just taking time to do something for you. I hope you enjoyed this video. I was editing it and I was just like, wow, I love this vlog so much. I feel like it was really fun. So I hope you liked it too. I will see you all very soon and catch you in the next vlog. Mwah!